you have a problem external HDD not accessible, okay, we are going to solve this problem, okay, in Windows, step by step. Okay, the first step for the solve this problem, okay, it's simple. Okay, you go to the search on Windows, okay, and you go to the disk management. Okay, you put disk management, okay, and you go here. Okay, and here you have a disk on your computer. Okay, the first, okay, you go to your disk, okay, here for example, and you go to the properties, okay, for the disk. You go here and you go, okay, here, and go to the control, okay, and you go to the uninstall. Okay, you uninstall the disk and install, okay, other. Okay, and you solve the problem external HDD not accessible. Okay, we are okay, and bye bye.